what's this?
Welcome back to Never Empty Bottle, everybody. I am...
Oh, gee.
What is this? Where am I?
Oh, not this hoser.
Oh no, not you. What did you do? Why did you bring me here?
Oh, relax there, bud. Just having a little fun, eh? Come on, make a drink. Be Tyler.
I don't want to be Tyler. I want you to send me back. Where's Tyler anyways?
Oh, he's somewhere else, you know. I think he's a girl now. Don't worry. Come on, we're live, buddy. Make a drink.
What do you mean we're live?
Oh, look at the camera.
I guess we're making a drink.
Hooray!
I hate you. Welcome back to the Never Empty Bottle, everybody. I am clearly not Tyler, but today we're gonna make a drink. So let's see what I have to work with here. Why is there so much Fireball? You know what? I actually want to try that manmosa that Tyler keeps complaining about.
Oh yeah, go for it, bud. Just don't be a frickin' baby about it.
All right, so we're gonna try this monstrosity here. So we've got our glass. Grab your favorite cube of ice, put that in there, and then we're gonna do 1 shot, 1 ounce, I assume, of Fireball. Boom. I'm gonna give it a shot or a splash of orange juice. That looked like more than a splash. I don't think this one has too many precise measurements. And then we're topping with sparkling wine, or 3 ounces it says, but I'm not gonna measure that. All right, maybe give it a little stir, because, you know, this might be good, I don't know. The manmosa. Let's try that again. No, it's no good. It's no good. Oh God, that's nasty. That's like cinnamon garbage. Bubbly cinnamon garbage. Why am I drinking this? Okay, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to recreate that and make it good. So we're gonna make our own version, if you will, of the manmosa. Let's call it the manmosa redux.
No, why don't you name it after old Jacques here, eh?
Why?
Well, because Tyler never names anything after me.
I'm starting to know why.
Well, up yours, buddy.
Whoa, okay, easy there, buddy. That's inappropriate. Fine. We'll call it the JACQUES MOSA. Happy?
Oh, now that sounds delightful.
All right, so let's make the JACQUES MOSA, or the manmosa redux. So we're gonna start by dumping into our glass. After that, we're gonna do 1.5 ounce of Rye Whiskey. We're basically gonna make our own Fireball with whiskey and cinnamon syrup. So 1.5 ounces of Rye Whiskey. I'm using Rittenhouse. Now we gotta turn this into Fireball. So cinnamon syrup, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce. Whoa. And then we're not putting orange juice in this bad boy because the orange juice was really gross with the Fireball. So instead, we're gonna do some orange curacao or any orange liqueur you have. We're doing 1/2 ounce. After that, we need to add a little bit of acidity. So we've got our limes here. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. It's so not my thing. All right, good, we got it out of 1 lime. And spilt it all over the bar. All right, after that, we're gonna give it a hat, give it a flip, and shake. All right, we're gonna be serving this bad boy in a lovely glass. Look at this, isn't that beautiful? And we're just gonna do a straight dump. Leave a little room at the top because we're gonna be topping off. Now, the manmosa was topped with sparkling wine. that didn't work out so well. So I'm gonna do instead some ginger beer. It's gonna make this kind of like more like a mule, and I think it's gonna be fantastic. All right, so top off with a little bit of ginger beer. Give this a quick stir. Gonna give it a fancy straw. Do a little orange and a little cinnamon stick because, you know, in honor of the fireball that we completely replaced. And there you have it, your JACQUES Mosa or manmosa redux, whatever name you want to call it.
Oh yeah, best drink ever, I'd say.
Oh yeah, yeah, much better than the manmosa. Cinnamon's there, but it's not like offensive. Orange is there, citrusy. That ginger beer, much better call than the sparkling wine. It works really well. Oh yeah, that's a winner. Well, folks, there it is. There's the drink. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you take the time to subscribe and comment away in the comment section as much as you'd like. We will see you on the next one. Cheers. There, I made the drink. Can I go home now?
Oh, gee.
Come on, just send me back.
Okay. Let me see here. Let me see here.
Nope.
Oh, my bad.
Nope. Wrong. Definitely not.
Oh, let's try this.
Nope. That's not it.
Whew, made it back home. All right. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget, there are 11 more bartenders, YouTube bartenders, who participated in this funny April Fool's video. So please go check them all out. Like and subscribe. The links will be below in the description to all the other videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers. No, you don't.